What up, y'all? This is how we cook in the hood. Today we're making turkey breakfast quesadillas. Spice up the oil, add all your vegetables. I love me some spinach. Okay, go ahead and saute it. Add your turkey, but dice it up first. Add it afterwards while it's already sauteing. Now go ahead and saute everything together. Get that nice, spicy, nice mix in there. It's going to taste so good. Add the cheat code. You got it, all right? We're going to reduce that fire sauce. Look, y'all, stop playing with me. Yo, stop playing with me. I know what I'm doing, and you know I know what I'm doing. All right, now, add the egg beaters, okay? Now, you're going to do the egg beaters and sour cream. You're going to whip that up together because it's going to make it nice and fluffy. Do not add no more than just some garlic powder and onion powder, okay? You do not need to add anything else into that oil or you're going to make it too salty because you already got the seasonings. So now you're going to add the egg, okay? Now, you're going to go ahead and just keep on whipping it and whipping it and whipping it. Then eventually, you're going to scramble it. But then you're going to add that afterward. But scramble it first. But then you're going to go ahead and add it now. Then you're going to mince it and make it nice and minced because you're going to make quesadillas with this, all right? So I got some left. I'm going to do something else with that. So these are the carb balance ones. It's low keto. Do not add no seasoning at all to the quesadilla because you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. So go ahead and put your cheese on top, put it on the side. Now you're going to just go ahead and just bend it. Then you are going to flip it. But y'all don't do no circus tricks. You're not no bartender. You're not no chef. You're just in your crib trying to cook, all right? Make 3, cut it up, put some cheese on top, nuke it real quick. Yep. Now you're going to add the fire sauce, the sour cream, the Herdes guacamole salsa, and what I like to do is put on top is the street sauce from taco sauce from Ortega. Lit. Tastes so good. So I already had a bite of this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and double dip, but I can do that because this is my breakfast. When it's your breakfast, you can double dip on your breakfast. I'm not sharing this with anybody, and you don't have to share with anybody either. Make your own, all right? You are ready. Thanks for cooking with me.